Rosella. Move by Rosella.
And the Giants showing us the heart of a true veteran international. Fast break 2 points para sa kanya. Unbelievable run by the Philippines. Ukraine on the...
Pumasok yun! Oh, I think that might have been, or that should have been a conversion.
San Miguel Beer went on top by 5. Rosella was the key man. Pero kaagad nakabalik ang Gordon Smith.
San Miguel Beer para palakpakan doon sa kanyang gutsy move. Makikita dito crossover dribble.
The floor. I think it's important that we're going to establish the control game. Big victory. One clutch shot after another coming from Olsen Rosella.
No whistle. Rosella pops a 3. Yes! Yes! Rosella with a huge 3.
Pero naman, 83 rebounds for Dorian Peña. Hala ko, hinawakan na. Ayan! Fully counted!
Oh, nice steal by Rosella and a foot race. He's ahead, screens the ball, and what a great move.
7 seconds na David dahil kanina pinihitan niya, naiwan niya si Valdavid, binawian ito, nawala si Valdavid, bukas si Rosella! He just pushes him out the way, so Rosella hits 2.
Rosella. Ito maganda. Rosella. Ayun ang makita mo naman. Hirap na tira yun. He penetrated the...
Here's Rosella up against Kadiwa. Nice pick. Rara Rosella sees an opening. Oh, what a...
Happens. Rosella the foot race. Rosella will take this one. Basket goes. Rosella.
He can bring to the PBA.
116 straight double-figure scoring games for Lamont Southern. That's an NCAA record.
This front ones, Olsen Rosella decides to go for it. The Russian at the junior.
Confirmed the news. And yes, he has passed away.
Olsen Rosella with a running shot. They were 2 possessions down. Rosella takes a long distance.
There's one possession.
Yes.
One possession left.
I mean, you don't. This last shot nonchalantly launched by Olsen
At
Rosella.
the low post. And then you wait for the double. Ganda ng fake ni Rosella Kinito. And Olsen Rosella is showing up.
강호체에서 필리핀. 자, 레이업 슛 2점 만회하는 필리핀의 5번 라세라.
Before we play the finals of the Meron naman si Olsen Rosella.
One-on-one defense.
Dynamite Danny getting the first 2 points, and Olsen Rosella inserted the starting lineup.
Rosella gets away. Yes. The veteran. Olsen.
Played shell was the fact that for a while, as he takes his first shot of the game, he's averaging 4.5 rebounds. Nice PLDT.
Call timeout.
ID. You're talking about the matchup a while ago. Here's Rosella again. He hits it again. That was annoying this game. Rosella sa labas. Yes. That is another PLDT IDD long. Here's Dynamite Danny.
Olsen's open.
Taking a corner jumper. He goes closer and he is just red hot.
I mean, he's killing it. He has
Rosella, he has 4 out of 4 now, make it 5 out of 5. From
Siyempre nga, paano niya ibabalik yan ng confidence na yan? Ito naman si Olsen Rosella. Babawian niya si Valdavid. Alam niya malamig, ha? Pinatake niya na. Pero, iba ka, alam natin kung sinabi ng oras. Lalo na kung bukas sobra ng opositor of the game. 2 seconds to go! Rosella! Yes. Tapo mo sa ere, kukunin yan. Pero magluluko, mahirap na konti yan. Yung range niya, sa pagpagpag ng bola, samantala. Olsen Rosella picking up that foul. Only is going to help you at this stage of the ball game.
Rosella, Mustre, Abuda have not really been in that kind of situation. Pero si Rosella living up to expectation. And 4 fouls. Rosella, he will take a 3-point shot. Yes! And don't look now. Silently listening to the instructions. Cut ni Rosella. Tira agad. Yes! And ang lamang, balik to San Miguel Beer.
May mga papo. 24-37 ang ating score in Olsen Rosella. Don't forget, ito mabigat ang problema nitong narito na San Miguel Beer, Olsen Rosella. Ayan ang kaya tinatawag yung Rara Rosella. Ito si Olsen Rosella. Rosella pulls up.
Siegel actually started the hostilities para San Miguel Beer. And together with Olsen Rosella, Siegel had a total of 10 points salary cap. Well, he led the scoring, Dr. J. Laman sa Batang Red Bull. Nelson Master is shot by Olsen Rosella. Rosella's been hustling Shell Turbochargers team. Rosella finally restores order to San Miguel Beer.
Rosella, Paul Wolford, and the champion Ateneo Blue Eagle coach.
Rosella nating batnet, and that is a 3-point shot, Kinito.
He set up Olsen Rosella for that shot. So natututo na tayo. What happened? Olsen Rosella.
Naku, binawi. Thank you, Olsen.
Velocity yung oil. 2 seconds to go. Rosella will have the final say, but it will be not enough.
Yung nagkakalangan sila, binabayo. Pero okay pa rin naman yan. Those two guys are friends.
Oh, yeah.
Eh, pagkalabanan talaga, wala mo na kaibigan.
There is Plana. Yun, sinakayan si Olsen Rosella. Si Plana, of course, a product.